Alright guys, so today's video I'm going to talk about how I made one of my clients an extra $70,000 without spending a single dollar on ads and only using emails. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can do the same for your e-commerce store. Alright guys, so as I said, you've seen the title, how I made my client an extra $70,000 in the back end without spending a single dollar on ads, just using emails. Okay, so as you guys know, I'm known as the email guy in the e-commerce industry. I preach a lot about email marketing, why it is so important, and why I think everyone should be using it for their e-commerce store. Okay, so this client, I do not want to disclose their brand, anything like that. They're actually a pretty big brand. They're a 7-figure store, but I made them an extra $70,000 just off automated sequences. So what happened was they paid me, and I just had to set up something for one time, and then that is making them money right now as we're going. Some of the main automated sequences that I used or that made them a lot of money was the abandoned cart and the post-purchase. If you guys actually do know abandoned cart, you know, everyone uses it. They usually use an app or whatever, but setting up a bunch of emails catered to your audience, making it very niche, making it very actually branding it. Branding it is very important. And when you do something like that for your store, you will make a lot more money than if it was just a general basic abandoned cart, just because you know you don't want to. It's cool. It looks scammy, especially with emails. It looks scammy, so you don't want to do that, right? So abandoned cart. And another thing, as I said, was post-purchase. Post-purchase, the reason it is so important is, you know, the money is in the back end. You're just trying to make more money in the back end after someone buys from you. So a lot of money that this client of mine made was in the back end through post-purchase, because we made sure to, you know, sell them on more stuff, give them different type of offers, so that person that bought from us once buys from us one more time. So those are the two main sequences that I use. There's also different ones such as customer win back, which is if they haven't purchased in a certain time, we send them a bunch of emails catered to them, and you know that literally made them an extra like $5,000. That's $5,000 that they would have not made if these emails were not set up. As I said, you don't have to spend a single dollar on ads at all. There was $0 spent on ads. The only cost was the cost for email, the software, which is Klaviyo. That is it. You don't have to spend money on anything else except for literally the software itself. So you know what you guys can take away from this video is to set up these automated sequences for your store. You only have to set it up once, only once. If you have the right strategies, they can bring anywhere from 20 to 30% extra revenue. So I actually have a new program. It's called the Email Effect. It was actually launched a long time ago, but I decided to relaunch it with new videos and different slideshows, templates, and just more resources that will help you guys set up your automated sequences for your store. So you can do email marketing for your store and make those money. As I said, you don't have to spend a single dollar on ads. You will definitely get your money back from the course that you invest in right away after you implement it if your store is already making money, because you guys do not understand. You guys are missing out on a lot of money by not doing email marketing for your store. But yeah, guys, that is it for the video. If you guys do want to check out the course, it's in the description, or you can go to mintavinc.com/email. Check it out. It is one of the only courses out there that teaches you how to make money with emails for your e-commerce store. It is so important, guys. Trust me. Ad costs are only rising, and it's only becoming harder to make money with drop shipping. So you need that back-end marketing to, you know, make more profit, right? This is it for the video, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. As I said, use emails. There's no ad costs, and it is better for the long term. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Have a great day.